Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new in-stock 2026 Yamaha Boats 255 Fish Sport H. The H being the joystick capable model. This particular boat is in this nice medium gray color with a black bottom. We've got the black hard top up top that's synonymous with the E series and H series of boats from Yamaha. Following me around back here, one of the best features on this boat that really sets it apart from other center consoles on the market is this very large entertainment area back here at the swim platform. Got a table mount there on your port side, cup holders and rod holders back here as well, and a stereo control unit back here on your transom. There's a telescoping ladder in the center here with two nice grab handles, and as you walk up into the boat, got a nice smooth walkway to get inside this 255 Fish Sport H. On the transom side of the boat here, you're gonna have a live well off to starboard and some storage here on the port side. You'll notice tons of rod holders on this boat throughout. Jump seats on the back for both your passengers. You've also got a flip up bench here. It's nice and easy to flip that up and stow it away when not in use. This cushion also does fit underneath the console to keep it away when you're fishing. Angle cooler comes standard here on this H series boat, as well as the snap-in marine mat flooring that you see. You've got a full glass windshield on this, as well as a Simrad NSX screen, wireless phone charger, Yamaha multifunction display. You've got a compass and all of your switching for your controls, such as your lights and things like that. Digital throttle here on this boat, so you can select it to be a single throttle driving or use both sticks, as well as, of course, that joystick here as part of the H model. Got a very nice leaning post with two flip-up seats. One of the things that's really nice on these is they have a nice cutout here for those moments when you're leaning against the leaning post. Makes it a lot more comfortable. You've also got a footrest down here for your passengers. Rod holders both port and starboard on the gunnels, as well as the port and starboard side of your hardtop with through access. You've got spreader lights both forward and aft on your hardtop, as well as two additional speakers, with this being the H series model, synonymous with the E series. Under the console here, you've got a nice unique setup here on these Yamaha jet boats. Got a changing room installed right now, but you can just see how much room there is in there for storage. It's a great changing room as well for those long days out on the water. With this being a 255, you're gonna have a secondary live well up here at the front. Aerated and has a light in it as well. And then over on the starboard side, you've got dedicated tackle storage as well as a trash can. Up at the front, you're gonna have in-hull storage underneath your casting platform right here, which is removable. Cushions on both sides are also removable. You've got cup holders up here, as well as rod holders up at the very front of the boat. Last but not least, up here at the bow, you're gonna have a nice anchor locker in here, dedicated storage for that anchor. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock Yamaha Boats 255 Fish Sport H here at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got this boat and several others just like it in stock now. Give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by today for more. Thanks for watching.